My son got this air dry clay for his birthday, and he is absolutely over the moon with it. He's been asking for clay for months because he watches craft shows on TV where they make all sorts of things, and he really wanted to try it out himself. When he saw all the colors, he got so excited to start mixing them and making planets out of clay. He's completely obsessed with space, so this was a dream come true for him. I love that this clay is less messy than Play-Doh, and it doesn't stick to the table, which makes cleanup so much easier. The quality is fantastic, and the kit comes with so many colors, 150 in total, so my son can mix them to make exactly what he imagines for his planets. Plus, the set comes with tools and small Ziploc bags to put the clay in. I also love that it air dries naturally, so we don't need to bake anything, and his creations are ready in 24 hours. It's perfect for boosting creativity, building fine motor skills, and keeping them engaged in hands-on learning. This clay set is such a fun, colorful, and high-quality gift for kids who love crafting, art, or even little space projects like my son. It's brought him so much joy, and I'm so glad we got it, so I definitely recommend checking it out.